Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. We may theorize in so many ways of our happy life, but you cannot be happy, sir, so long you have got this material body. That's a fact. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanandasa. Therefore, intelligent person, they should be. Krishna is making everyone intelligent. You rascal, you are under the bodily concept of life. Your civilization has no value. It is rascal civilization. Here is the point. Janghina vadhante te purusam purusarva. Sama dukkha sukhanga jiram. Samritataya kalpate. Your problem is how to be re-established again as eternal. Because we are eternal. Somehow or other we have fallen in this material world. Therefore we have to accept birth and death. So our problem is how to again be eternal. That is Amrita. But these rascals, they do not know that there is possibility of becoming eternal. Simply by trying to understand Krishna, one can become immortal. Janma karma me dibbam ju janati sat. Simply try to understand Krishna, what is Krishna? Then takta deham punarjanma naiti. Simply by understanding Krishna. Even you don't serve Krishna. If you serve, then you are already liberated. If you simply philosophically try to understand the position of Krishna. But no, the mudas, the rascals, they will say, we accept Krishna as a great man. We don't accept Krishna as God. The Arya Samadhis say. All right, if you accept a great man, great personality, why don't you accept his teaching? Then what kind of accepting a great personality? If you actually accept Krishna as a great personality, at least you must follow the instruction of Krishna. Now, that also they will not do. And still, they are Arya Samadhi. Arya means advancing part. Degrading part. Real advancing party is Krishna conscious person. The devotees of Krishna. They are Arya. Just like Arjuna, when he was trying to neglect the instruction of Krishna, then I am not fight. So he says, anarjujustam. Anyone who disobeys the instruction of Krishna, he is anarja. And one who obeys the instruction of Krishna, he is arya. That is the reason. Those are the so-called Arya Samaj. They disobey the instruction of Krishna, and still they claim to be Arya. Actually they are anarja. Anarjujustam. These things are in the Bhagavad-gita. So, nanusuchitam manasi. Krishna here says, you are eternal, your business is how to achieve that eternal position, and so far the body is concerned, antavatri me deha, this is distractible, so you should not be very much serious about this body. This is the distinction between the Vedic civilization, Arya civilization, Vedic civilization Arya, and Anarya civilization. Anarya civilization means bodily concept of life. Anarya civilization means spiritual concept of life, how to make spiritually advancement, that is real civilization. Those who are compact in the thought of bodily comforts of life, they are all anarjas, and that is now duplicated. Nanusochitam manasi. Don't lament on these immaterial things. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna